today the percentile using the final scores. So, copy na to na siya sa Excel. And para mo tayo file ana ganina. Itong ka diri sa SPSS. And then up to siya ng important data using the Excel. Okay, this is the file nga nag-copy na to came from the final score. Okay, and then variable names included at the top of our file. Remember contents name, saan na to para makita na to ang itong copy-paste na to came from the Excel. Okay, that is the final. This is the scores sa final. And then import na tao adili mag-analyze na ta using guys using the descriptive statistics frequencies and then for that total scenario statistics then the percentile wala di panita na to and ato to siya add score nga percent 20% plus 30% plus 40% plus 50 plus 60% plus 50% plus 80 plus 90. That's it. Add na to na siya and then continue na to. That is the scores, percent of scores of the students. Continue. Ito na siya mabalhin. Secondary, there's a variables S. Sa statistics and variables. Next is and okay. And this is the final score or the final score of the student, scores of the student percentile. The 20% score of the students is below 25.60% or 60. 30% score of the students are below 30.10. The 40% is 37.60. Below 37.60. 50% is below 40.50. 60% is 42.40. So below regression. And then the below regression scores 70% is below 45.30. 80% is 50.00 or 50. So 80% 50. So 90% is below 58. So that is the final score or the final scores from this is the final scores analyze na to sa percentile using the final grade of the students. So that's it. Thank you.